Hi there, I'm Tony, your digital presenter for this video by OpenDialog AI. In this video, I'll be giving you a demonstration of the OpenDialog platform and show you how insurance providers can automate human-like conversations with their customers using conversational artificial intelligence. In this example, I'll be showing you how OpenDialog can be used to provide a quotation, answer questions, and complete a transaction on a new policy in a single conversation. Customer expectations have evolved, and it is driving buying behavior across all aspects of the insurance industry. Insurers who don't offer rich user experiences through multiple channels risk being less competitive to new customers and less likely to retain existing customers who have engaged in a complex claim, renewal, or midterm adjustment. The impact and capabilities of conversational AI have seen a step change through technological advancements in recent years, enabling humans and virtual agents to engage in sophisticated, contextual discussions. This means that insurers can finally trust a virtual agent or chatbot to drive a positive customer experience without risking brand impact and negative customer reviews. OpenDialog provides a platform for the creation of virtual agents which can support human-like customer-centric engagements for insurers 24/7. Here we see a customer completing a buyer journey for motor insurance. The presentation of the conversation is both rich in the style, language, and imagery used, but also contextual to the customer. Conversations are structured, accepting a mix of natural language and button pressing, based on what drives the best user experience. You can see that the virtual agent also prompts the user to ask questions throughout the process, engaging in a conversation in the same way that a human agent would. This is made possible by the OpenDialog Conversation Engine, a conversational orchestration layer which continually evaluates what the customer is asking, responding with the appropriate context. This means that the conversation can cover multiple topics without losing its way. The user interface provides a similar experience to that of a modern web application, allowing the customer to change details of the quoted policy, affecting the quoted price in real time. When a question is asked about the details of the cover, specifically if the policy includes cover for falling branches, the natural language used has been interpreted and an answer drawn from the policy knowledge base. This outcome can be achieved through the use of generative AI, through large language models to summarize details of the policy for the user, or use a combination of answers to frequently asked questions to ensure the user has sufficient information to progress the buyer journey. As the virtual agent responds, you'll notice that we can introduce natural pauses as you would experience in a conversation with a human. This subtle consideration when engaging with a virtual agent greatly increases the user experience when managing complex conversations. Although the platform supports questions being asked at any time to support the customer, we have defined a core path which relates to the buyer journey. This means that whilst different conversational topics can be supported, the conversation engine will draw the customer back to the regulated steps of the quote-to-buy journey. The user has updated the specifics of the quoted policy details and is now going to inquire into the mileage associated with the policy. Making a change to reduce the mileage has introduced a reduction to the premium, and the virtual agent then presents the options to the customer to confirm these changes. Whilst the buyer journey has been transposed into a conversational experience, we are still adhering to regulatory conditions in the way information is presented and confirmation is solicited. Here a summary is requested of the terms and conditions, which is then broken down into the conversational interface, prompting the user for confirmation. The OpenDialog platform provides integrations into business applications through the use of actions. This enables the virtual agent during a conversation to pull and push information. For example, responding to changes in the policy quote, to then push the update to the policy management system and offer back to the customer a real-time pricing update to the policy. Here we have two options, one to pay annually or another option to pay monthly at an increased cost. The virtual agent is not authorized to provide advice around the best options available. It is only able to provide a quote based on the information provided as supported from the policy management system. A reply is provided to the user in line with the tone of voice of the insurer, adhering to regulatory conditions. The customer selects Pay Monthly and agrees to the price they have been quoted for that option. Finally, as this is a quote-to-buy process, an integration has been made into the payment provider to make the purchase via the conversational experience. Selecting Pay Securely concludes the buyer journey, allowing the appropriate documents to be issued to the customer along with the policy certificate. If you'd like to see more of the OpenDialog platform and explore other use cases and ways that it can automate conversations to lower costs, increase sales, and delight your customers, please book a demo with one of my human colleagues who will be happy to help. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos by OpenDialog.